Can't believe I eat this every day. I haven't ever wondered how these savory dishes were made, and I was shocked seeing
Production process of bacon. A journey from past to present. Bacon has its origins in China thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations discovered that by curing pork with salt and various spices, they could not only extend its shelf life, but also impart a unique, savory flavor. This method quickly spread and became an integral part of kitchens across various cultures worldwide. By the 16th century, the term bacon began to encompass various cured pork products, from pork belly to other cuts. In 1539, Hernando de Soto, a Spanish explorer, brought 13 pigs to the Americas. These pigs quickly multiplied, and within a few years, their numbers grew to hundreds. Bacon became a popular and beloved food in the new colonies, where pigs became a crucial food supply. In the United States, the average person consumes about 18 pounds of bacon per year, making it a potential national delicacy and icon. Bacon production process. The production process of bacon can be divided into two main methods: dry curing and wet brining. Both methods aim to preserve the meat while enhancing its distinctive flavor. Choosing bacon. When selecting bacon, prioritize products with clear origins, made from clean pork without antibiotics or hormones. Bacon from naturally raised pigs fed with organic feed tends to have better quality and flavor. Proper storage is also crucial. Bacon should be kept in cool, dark conditions with low humidity to maintain its best flavor and quality. Dry curing method. This is the oldest and most traditional method, where salt and various spices such as sugar, pepper, and herbs are rubbed onto pork belly slices. The bacon is then left to cure for about 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, the meat absorbs the spices and salt fully, creating a rich, savory flavor. After curing, the bacon is rinsed, air-dried, and sometimes smoked lightly to enhance its flavor. Wet brining method. In this method, bacon is immersed in a pre-made salt solution containing salt, sugar, and sodium nitrate. This solution allows the bacon to absorb salt and spices quickly and evenly, effectively preserving the meat. After brining for the required time, the bacon is smoked for approximately 6 hours, often using liquid smoke to impart a distinctive flavor. The result is slices of bacon with crisp skin, tender meat, and a salty, enticing taste. Varieties of bacon extend beyond preparation. Methods to include regular thin-cut bacon, classic bacon with a balanced ratio of fat to meat, ideal for everyday consumption. Thick-cut bacon provides a more robust, meaty texture and richer flavor, favored by those seeking a more substantial bacon experience. Bacon from pork belly. Cut from the pig's belly, this bacon tends to be slightly fattier and is often used in gourmet dishes. International varieties include Canadian bacon, made from pork loin and resembling ham, and Italian pancetta, rolled and thinly sliced for its distinctive flavor profile. Bacon continues to evolve with various cuts and preparations, catering to diverse tastes and culinary preferences. Its rich history and versatility make it a beloved ingredient worldwide, cherished for its savory taste and culinary adaptability. Salted pork, or bacon, has evolved from ancient preservation techniques to become a beloved culinary staple worldwide. Its journey encompasses rich history, diverse production methods, and ongoing innovation, ensuring that bacon continues to capture the hearts and palates of consumers globally. Whether dry-cured for its robust flavor or wet-cured for consistency, bacon remains an essential ingredient in various cuisines, offering endless possibilities for culinary exploration and enjoyment.
That's all the information that we have for you today.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.